Okay, I'm gonna do a quick review of the this table I bought at Academy Sports. It's a camp cook table, and it folds down to a neat little suitcase. You can see it here. This is without everything on it, but you can see right here is where a stove will go, and then, like I say, you do whatever you want on the other. It has a little rack on the back. So there it is, and I'm going to show you a real quick way of taking it apart. And it was hard at first because it has a lot of pieces, but once you figure it out, it actually is not too bad to tear it down. You see how it goes into a nice little suitcase. And here you've got a couple of configurations with a table for washing, and then here it is for setup for cooking. Overall, I would recommend this for something that makes it into a nice compact way of having a table along, and it has a lot of storage area. So far it's working out really good for me, and that's about all I have for this review. If you've had one of these or have something like it, let me know in the comments section.